Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus 10 Pro, and I'll show you how the fingerprint scanner tests on this device. So now you can see that I can unlock the device with my fingerprint, and now I'll try to unlock the device with my fingerprint a couple of times, and we will see how fast this feature is. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the fingerprint scanner works here really fast and just good. We can unlock the device less than in 1 second. But be sure also that you got the fingerprint scanner area here, and if you want to just unload the device fast, you should just hold for a while the fingerprint scanner. Don't do that just don't keep your finger from the sensor just in so fast. So just you should hold for a while this sensor, not just do this. And by this way we can unlock the device normally. So I suggest you to try the fingerprint scanner here. For example, if you don't like the pin codes or passcodes, you can try the fingerprint, but don't forget that the fingerprint unlock method is less secure than the passcode, pin code or pattern. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.